Hi everyone. In this clip we are going to install ESXi 6.5 into a virtual machine. I've already launched VMware Player. I'm going to create a new virtual machine. I'm going to navigate to my folder where I have the distribution ISO. That's this guy down at the bottom. I'll open that. Notice that VMware Player knows what the OS is that we're going to be installing. I'm going to give this a name to match our lab environment. And I'm going to change the path onto my portable storage. From a disk perspective, I'm going to store this as a single file. And I'm not going to power on yet because we need to make some changes to the config. Our VM is now created. If I edit the virtual machine settings, a couple of things that I need to do here. With the processor, this is already set to enable virtualization, so that's good. I need to add some additional storage. So I'm going to add a hard disk. It's going to be SCSI. It's going to be new. 40 gigabytes is fine for space. And again, I'm going to store that as a single file. And we'll add a third disk, the same as we just did for the second one. And we also need to add 3 more network adapters. So I'll add, select network adapter. And once that's finished, I'm going to select custom for the host adapter we want to be connected to and pick VMnet1. I'm going to add 2 more network adapters. This guy, network adapter 3, is going to be on VMnet2, and network adapter 4 is going to be on VMnet3. That's all we need to do for the configuration. The memory is already correct. Again, 3 40 gigabyte disks, and then I've got 4 network adapters. The first one is on NAT, the second one VMnet1, third VMnet2, and the fourth on VMnet3. I'll OK that, and we'll be ready to power on and use this virtual machine. Go ahead and start that, and we will see the boot process come up on the screen. I'll hit enter to launch that. We'll wait for the boot to come up, and it will start prompting us for some information. The first prompt that comes up is pressing enter to continue the installation. I'll do that. We have to read and accept the license agreement. Assuming that we're good with that, we do F11. And the system will scan to see what hardware is available, and specifically it's looking to find out what disk we can install on. We see a list of disks. Doesn't really matter which one we pick. I'll press enter to select the top one. US English is the default for keyboard. I'll choose that. We're going to put in a password, which is going to be secret55, and enter to continue. It's going to do a scan for additional hardware that might be on the system. It's found everything, and everything is fine. We do F11 to continue with the installation, and once that's all done, it's going to prompt us for a reboot. And once the installation is finished, we just have to enter to reboot. The system will reboot itself, and we'll just come back after that's done so that we can see what the final product looks like. And after the reboot, we have a screen that should look like this one. The IP address is going to be from DHCP server, and you'll notice that there's no host name. That's a wrap. Hopefully this video was helpful for you, and we'll see you next time.